खुल के रोएंगे नहीं तो खुल के हंसेंगे कैसे? Welcome to the 7th episode of Girl with 1000 Expressions. If you have listened to the 6th episode, then you must be waiting for it. So here I am. And for people who have not listened to the previous episode, check it out first, as this is the continuation of that. Emotions. They are such an important part of our being. But how to process our emotion, how to feel our feelings better, and how to let them out. Let's discuss that in this episode. What are the different ways to do that? The very first way is to play. Yes, play. Doing any physical activity, whether it be running, walking, sport, gym, dance, yoga, whatever you like. And I know sometimes it is hard to get moving, but start with few minutes and something you love doing. Moving our body helps us process our emotion. Most of what you're feeling will be gone after you play. That's why do something you love. कुछ तो करना पसंद होगा ना? डांस तो सबको ही करना पसंद होता है, अकेले में ही सही. Do whatever suits you. That's why people go to gym after breakup, not just to become hot. If you're not able to do other things I'm gonna tell in this episode, just do this one thing. Move your body. The other way is music. We all love music. It gives us space to feel every kind of emotion. कितनी बार हम म्यूजिक रिपीट पे सुन के रोते हैं, बहुत कुछ फील करते हैं और कुछ लाइन तो बस दिल पे लग जाती है. It gives words to our feelings. और इसी वजह से हम कुछ टाइप ऑफ म्यूजिक से भागते भी हैं, बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट टू अवॉइड फीलिंग समथिंग. जब लगे ना आप किसी फीलिंग से जान पूछ के भाग रहे हो, किसी म्यूजिक से भाग रहे हो, किसी सॉन्ग से भाग रहे हो, तो थोड़ा रुक जाना और सुन लेना. मे बी इट विल हेल्प यू लेट आउट एंड यू विल फाइंड आउट इट इज नॉट दैट स्कैरी टू फील. हैव म्यूजिक, लिसन टू म्यूजिक, इट्स अ लाइफ सेवर. थर्ड वे इज टू बी प्रेजेंट विद योर इमोशंस. जब हम कोई व्यू देखते हैं, व्हाट इज सो ब्यूटिफुल अबाउट इट? Actually, we are experiencing a moment of acceptance. We are present in the moment. We are not in conflict. You are accepting the situation as it is. You don't want to change anything about it and you don't wish to be anywhere else. बस वो 2 पल का सुकून है. इस व्यू से better place क्या होगी? Just like that, when you don't fight with what you're feeling, you don't want to change it, but you are accepting what you're feeling by being present with it. कोई सी भी फीलिंग स्टे करने के लिए होती ही नहीं है. वंस यू गिव सम स्पेस टू इट. व्हेन यू फील सैड. कुछ बहुत कीमती होगा जो आपने खोया है, तो कुछ टाइम तो दुख होगा ही ना. थोड़ा रो लो, निकाल दो एंड कम आउट ऑफ इट. एंड बिलीव मी, यू विल. जस्ट डोंट फाइट विद व्हाट यू आर फीलिंग. जस्ट बी प्रेजेंट. द अदर वे इज बाय क्रिएटिंग समथिंग. When do you think artists create their art? Songs and poems which gives us a sigh of relief and makes us feel seen were created when artist was feeling those heavy emotions. They have experienced what you are experiencing and they have given shape and form to it. Next time when you feel a feeling, just create something. Write few lines about it. Create poetry, create painting, which will heal others. It's an interesting fact. If we could feel our feelings, then it might help others heal as well. The most underrated way is by expressing your feelings to others. हम कभी कभी लोगों को बता नहीं पाते हम क्या फील कर रहे हैं, पर believe me, once you let out in front of someone else, which you're holding for so long, someone you can trust, you will be relieved. मुझे भी यही लगता था यार, क्या ही होगा बता के, कुछ चेंज तो नहीं होने वाला. पर सही इंसान को बताओगे तो you will know. Tell them how you're feeling. Be vulnerable. Vulnerability is a gift. The last way is to understand your emotion through journaling. Write whatever is coming in your mind, all the frustration, all the missing, whatever that you're feeling. Pour it out on the paper. Whenever there's a discomfort in your body, don't dismiss it or doubt it. There is a line by Villain. कभी कभी जो अश्कों से मुलाकात होती है, कहने को अनजानी एक बात होती है. I'll repeat it. कभी कभी जो अश्कों से मुलाकात होती है, कहने को अनजानी एक बात होती है. हर एक आंसू और फीलिंग कुछ बोल रहा है. कुछ ठीक नहीं है, कुछ चेंज करना है, कुछ समझने की जरूरत है. बस सुनने वाला चाहिए. यू कैन स्टार्ट बाय आस्किंग क्वेश्चन. व्हाट आर यू फीलिंग? व्हाई आर यू फीलिंग दिस वे? व्हाट इज द सोर्स? इज इट वैलिड? एंड व्हाट कैन आई डू अबाउट इट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन डू वी फील जेलस? वी फील जेलस बिकॉज वी वांट समथिंग दे हैव. So now you know what you want. Explore more on it. Do I really want what they have? Am I doing something for that? Or actually, you'll know you don't want it. When do we feel angry? What was something that did not go my way? Somebody did not react it how I wanted them. They have hurt me. You resent their action. So now you know your triggers and you can work from there. Just like that, every feeling have a reason, and with time you'll be more aware about it. I did all of this to come out of my situation. I let it out, I journaled, whatever was coming in my mind, I cried, I took help of my friends and sisters, music was always there, and of course, I went to gym. And eventually, the time which seemed like a lot, like it's never gonna end, eventually ended. और बस रोना बंद हो गया और फर्क पड़ना बंद हो गया. And feeling my feelings made me stronger than before. अब मैं और फील करने से डरती नहीं हूँ, भागती नहीं हूँ. मैंने सवाल किया था, खुल के जीते कैसे हैं? उसमें से सबसे पहला वे है खुल के फील करना, सब कुछ, एवरीथिंग. Emotions are the thing which we have come to experience in this world. If you're too sensitive and feel a lot, you are blessed. You are living an enriching life. आपने अपने इमोशंस को खोया नहीं है, आपने खुद को खोया नहीं है. इंसान तो इमोशनल बीइंग होते हैं यार, लॉजिक तो बस सर्वाइव करने के काम आते हैं, पर जीते तो हम इन इमोशंस के लिए है ना. वेलकम एवरी इमोशन एंड बी क्यूरियस अबाउट ऑल योर फीलिंग्स. प्लीज डोंट सप्रेस इट. If you have watched Inside Out, then you must remember, in our mind's headquarters, who are the bosses? All our emotion, not just joy, but sad, anger, fear, all of them are required. And if you have not seen Inside Out, please go and watch it. You'll be amazed. Thank you all for listening. See you in the next episode. Take care, keep smiling, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Bye-bye.